for the devotee who has prema and rati, attachment for his guru, asakti, guru asakti, attachment and rati, then for him it's 24 Kanta Adurbhav. When Prabhupada was walking with him in New York, his shishya turned to him and said, Srila Prabhupada, this is 1966. Your Gurudev, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he left this planet in 1937, January 1st. This is 30 years ago. Do you feel separation from your Guru? Guru Viraha? You feel separation from your Guru? And what did Swamiji say? What did Srila Prabhupada say? No, I don't feel separation. My Guru is always with me. My Guru is always with me. So that means Adurbhav, manifestation, visibility. We say there's a lack of visibility. Turn on your headlights, or they say in the plane, we can't. So our lack of visibility is due to our lack of surrender, sharanagati. Our lack of visibility is due to our lack of sadhana. Our lack of visibility is due to our lack of desire to see. Do we want to have Guru Darshan? If we want, then we make advancement. I want to read a few appropriate quotations from Srila Prabhupada, our Samstakacharya for ISKCON, our founder, and our Guru and Bhakti Sudamodar Swami's Guru. How he talks about Vani Darshan, Guru Vani Darshan, Guru, then Prabhupada even talks about Guru Vapu Darshan. Then interestingly enough, Srila Prabhupada talks about Guru Chaitya Guru Darshan. And Prabhupada tells, when do we start to see the Guru in my heart? Chaitya Guru means Antaryami, Paramatma, the Super Soul. Now we say we can't see the physical, so-called, quote-unquote, physical presence of Guruji before us. Now we have to look into our heart. We have to look into our heart, search for the Vani, search for the Vapu reminiscences and Vapu memories of his form. Then, more importantly, search for the messages and the darshan, the Chaitya Guru darshan in the heart.